somehow managed to flip his car in a parking lot. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Daily Dash. Today, I'm about to head down, but I've been sitting here, I just finished filming the last video, been sitting here waiting for a good order to come in, and damn, we got a good one. So, first off, we're going to Walmart, which is literally, it's right here. It's right here somewhere. Anyways, so, going to Walmart, Par app just notified me of a gigantic tip. So basically, Doordash advertised this as a $13.50 double order from Walmart, which in no way would I ever take that. And then, bam! Par notifies me of a $15 tip. So bam, bam. Ooh, one of them has no tip though. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get to Walmart and I'm going to only pick up the one with the big tip. Cause that's the kind of crappy stuff that I do as someone who does not want to deliver someone's freaking Walmart order for a $0 tip. Like, fuck off, dude. Anyway, so I'm gonna walk down there. I'll show you guys how far I have to walk on a daily basis just to get to my freaking car. Be right back. Alright, and now you see why I have to cherry pick orders. That's literally about a half-mile walk just to get to my freaking car. Sometimes I'm lazy and I'll like bring my scooter with me and I'll just like scooter the last like quarter mile or so. But yeah, it's pretty damn far. So anyways, I'm actually pretty pissed right now because I've been trying this whole drive, this whole time I've been trying to figure out why it won't tell me which order is which. So I guess Doordash smartened up a little bit on their double orders and they probably realized that people like me who know that there's one order that pays $20 and another order that has zero tip, people probably started picking up the ones that have $20 orders and just leaving that $4 tip. You know what? Fuck off, Doordash. This shit is bullshit. It's so annoying. The fact that they are literally like hiding, I don't know, man. It's just so schemy and I freaking hate how they're just like trying to basically get people to be zombies and just take anything, you know? It's like, look at this crazy car crash right here. What in the... Alright, so let's all start off our day, if you guys are first starting off your day right now, by thanking God that you are not that guy who somehow managed to flip his car in a parking lot. How on earth do you flip your car in a parking lot with a speed limit of 10 miles an hour? Obviously, he was not going 10 miles an hour. And obviously, he was probably really drunk or something, which happens all the time at the freaking casino. Oh my God, I just passed a dead cat in the street. Oh, that's one way to make your day worse. Oh, I hate that. That bugs me so bad. Anyways, you know what bugs me worse is Doordash not giving me all the information that I need to complete my deliveries. And now, they used to say this order, now it doesn't say this order anymore. So stupid, Doordash, man. This is what I'm telling you guys. You have to get another source of income, guys. Whether it's like making a blog or some kind of job or something. Like, Doordash is not a consistent way of making money. Like, it's a good way of making extra money, or if you're using it for things like I did to basically fund my businesses, great for that. Not a good like sole source of income. Maybe if you're like UDM and you're using a bunch of different apps and he's like really hustling, like, yeah, you could probably make some pretty good money that way. But if you were only doing one DoorDash or app and that's it, probably should get different source of income. In my opinion, it's my opinion, but I try to spread my efforts thinly and utilize as many different skill sets that I possibly can. First off, shout out to Para for basically sponsoring this video and helping me get this awesome cherry picking order. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you download the Para app. It's at the top of the description. It'll help you get full tip transparency, because DoorDash is a bunch of freaking scumbags right now. They're hiding orders from you, basically trying to get you to take all these stupid orders, grouping a really good order, which, in my opinion, if I'm the customer who's giving me that $15 tip, I'm pissed that I'm getting, like, I have to share my delivery with someone who doesn't tip. That's kind of annoying. And also, they have to wait longer for their stuff because I got to deliver food to this freaking person. And you know what? I would cancel it, but I don't know which one is which. You know, I don't know which order is the big tip and which one's the small tip. Otherwise, I totally would. But I don't know. I'm probably not the greatest dasher for this platform, to be absolutely honest. But I'm using all the tools that I have at my dispense. Because so basically, what I'm doing today, I always try to tell you guys to do casual dashing. Try to do stuff on your way. I was waiting for an order that's going to take me south, which this order is. It goes to the Walmart that is across the street from the casino that I am currently staying in, because I'm doing a show called Viva La Cirque in Reno, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, so I'm also taking my friend Nick to Whole Foods because he is vegan and he's very picky on what foods he can eat, and he cannot eat pretty much anything in the casino. So I'm taking him to Whole Foods, but I wanted to get an order on the way, so I'm going to go pick up this Walmart order. As soon as I pick it up, I'm going to drive back across the street, pick him up, and yeah, then we're going to finish the daily dash. But yep, anyway, so I got a question from a young driver the other day who was 18 years old and asking for what source or what passive income he can make as someone who's 18 years old. And my thoughts are, for one, I sent him the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. I told him, hey, read this book, it'll basically change your life. Then come back to me and I will probably have some kind of opportunity or something I can give to him if he actually reads that book. You know, I'm very big on teaching someone how to fish and not just giving them fish, you know? Like, I'm gonna teach people, I don't know, that's my whole point of this YouTube channel, because I think I have very creative ways of making money and stuff, and hopefully you guys can learn some stuff too. And comment down below, what have you guys learned from my channel? What's the best tip that you guys have gotten? And if there's any positive ways that my channel has changed your life, let me know in the comments down below. I love seeing positive feedback. It's a nice break from all the freaking comment trolls that just comment negative stuff all day. But anyways, so as someone who's younger, one thing I would say is to try to find a mentor. And you know, it's not as hard as you think it is. You know, my mentor is Patrick Bet David. I've never met the guy, but I would consider that guy to be my mentor, because every piece of content he puts out, I am just reading and listening to that because he is just full of gold mines, you know, like that guy's a gold mine of information, especially for an entrepreneur. So I take everything he says and I'm just constantly listening. I would say try to find a mentor or someone who can help teach you different skill sets. The whole thing you want to do, especially as someone who's young, is develop as many different skill sets as possible, because you want to add as much value to yourself. That way, if you are looking for a job, or if you're trying to be an entrepreneur or something, you have more knowledge to actually expand with, you know? The more knowledge you guys have, the more value you add to a position or a company or something. If you're going to work for someone else, the better you are and the more job security you have. You know, I personally feel like I can do like everything that involves business. I'm good at Photoshop, video editing, sales, marketing, social media, content, like everything. I can almost do everything that involves business. That's why I started my own business. So there's little things that you should learn, like Photoshop and like all kinds of stuff, especially nowadays. Especially if you wanted to be like a YouTuber or something, Photoshop is absolutely crucial. And there's so many things that, there's so many skill sets out there. So try to just make yourself the most valuable person a company could ever want to hire. speaking of which, I need to hire someone to help me manage my YouTube channel pretty soon, because the revenue is getting pretty up there, and personally I would rather like have someone helping me with it. So if anyone's like artistic and like good with graphic stuff or something, I kind of want to like redesign my channel. I'm not that good at Photoshop, and I like to say I'm artistically retarded, because I'm pretty bad when it comes to art stuff. So maybe send me an email or something like that. I'll put my email down below if anyone is like interested in that kind of stuff. I'm gonna make up a new email for this channel. I haven't thought of it yet, but it's down in the description. I'll make it before this video comes out. Anyways, just pulled up to Walmart, gotta call these fuckers, bring out my order. You know what would make Para the ultimate gold mine? If it told me which one of these Walmart orders, like just give me the name so I can delete the freaking other one, you know? Yeah, but it just says Walmart. It doesn't tell me which one's which, and they're both similar order, or similar, what do you call it? Item numbers, so I don't know which one's which. Alright, just picked up the orders. One of these freaking customers is not tipping me, and it better not be the one with 10 bags of ice, or I will be pissed. It's actually delivering to the RV park of the hotel that I am literally working in, which I will show you how close it is. This is Walmart right here, and that is the GSR where I am performing. So, delivering to someone who's literally staying at the hotel. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully, I don't know which one of these fuckers is tipping me and which one isn't, so it better not be the person with 10 bags of ice that is not tipping me, or I'll be pissed. I will be so pissed, but anyways, I'll be right back. Gotta get this whole situation sorted out. Delivering to the RV parking lot, which is where my parents always stay when they come to see the show. But, alright. Alright, one order down. I have no idea which person is which person. Let's see, handed order to customer, confirm delivery. Alright, we just picked up one order. Now I'm gonna drop off the one with all the ice. Yeah, apparently these people just moved here and they live they're living here in the RV parking lot, which is kind of cool. Like, I kind of want to, I'm looking into buying an RV right now. Not an RV, but a trailer. I never want to have my home, like, attached to my motor, because motors go wrong all the time, especially in RVs and stuff. But, anyways, it's funny because they saw the show already, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm in the show. And they're like, what, you're doing Doordash? I'm like, hell yeah, I'm doing Doordash. I'm making extra money in the daytime because I don't perform till 7 o'clock. It's only 3:30, and I got plenty of time. I already chilled at the pool today. So many things that you can do in the daytime when you don't perform till 7. So it's like, why wouldn't I want to make extra money and ramble to a camera and walk around? Anyway, so now I gotta go pick up, yep, that was the order that paid me $4.75, but whatever. She was a nice lady. She had a newborn kid. I'm not complaining. I only had to drive across the parking lot, and that was a small order. Thank God it was not the person with all the ice bags. I would have been pissed if the person with all the ice bags did not tip me. I would have been super annoyed, but okay. And this next order delivers to a house, but I'm gonna pick up my friend Nick, and I'm gonna make him come on this delivery with me. So, be right back. Let's pick up Nick. And oh my God, I'm 17 followers away from hitting 10K. 17 more subscribers. I've been working on this channel for like freaking 4 years now. Just a quick update. So for those of you who are interested in my YouTube analytics, every 28 days, my channel hits 1.2K new subscribers, so 1,200 new subscribers every month. We are at 143,000 views per month, and watch time is at 12.9K, so 12,000, almost 13,000 hours people watch my channel. Also, for the estimated revenue, which is, I don't understand this because it goes up and down. Like, I've literally like 150% of the amount of views that I had last month, and last month I made more money. But now we are at $2,000 and 59 cents, but it's gonna go up about another $120 today. So by the end of the day, it'll say about almost $2,200 per month, It's weird though, because last month I made $2,500. Anyways, I'll be right back. Gotta find Nick. I don't know where the hell he is. All right, be right back. Hi, Nick.
Hello.
All right, we're going to Whole Foods. All right, just walked out of Whole Foods. Spent way too damn much money. Whole Foods is freaking expensive, and I get free food at the casino, so I probably shouldn't spend any money, to be absolutely honest, but I guess it's probably better quality food. But anyway, so yeah, I did get a $20 tip on that second order. Not $20, it was a $20 order. It was a $15 tip. So in total, we made about 25 bucks. I think it was $24.95 for that double order from Walmart. Anyway, so just left Whole Foods. Waiting for Nick to get out here. He bought way more stuff than I did, I'm sure. All right, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you smash that PAR link. Make sure you download PAR for tip transparency. And also, if you guys haven't yet, check out my footwear company. Oh, real quick, hold up. We just got a, for those of you who are interested in my footwear company, bam! Check out the new model. We are waiting for this thing to come in. Oh, yeah, baby. So, there we go. Ah, yeah. And then we got them in white. Where's the white ones? All white. So I'm debating on if I want to do the black or the white sole for the white shoes. So, not really sure yet. I think the black sole will last longer, but yeah, so I've been kind of talking you guys through the whole process of designing the shoes and how it's been coming along and all that good stuff. So they just finished them up at our manufacturer, so I will have a sample of them probably within the week or so. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, check out offaxisathletics.com. Use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER for 30% off. Get some awesome shoes. Support my brand. Anyways, also, I'm gonna make some new clothing and stuff to hopefully sell to you guys, like masks and like things you might wear while you're dashing. I'm thinking about calling it like the Rich Driver brand. Let me know if you guys have any better ideas, because I'm like, I like the idea of Rich Driver because it kind of is like my whole channel and like what's it based around, like thinking and expanding your mind to different ways of making money. But I'm not set on the Rich Driver, but anyways, so thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe. I am now, in the last like 20 minutes, we are now, how many subscribers? 8 subscribers away from 10K. I'm so stoked. And we're over $2,100 in revenue, or in ad revenue every 28 days, so that's huge. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.